Hello friends, today I am discussing about promise. So it is very easy. So let's start. What is promise? Promise is used for to handle the HTTP or asynchronous request. It is the main uses of promise. So it has two states. One is resolve and another is like reject. So if it is reject, then block execute. If reject, then catch block execute. So let's start in the code. Taking promise, it's take the function. So here it take to start like resolve and reject. So I'm taking a variable let request true. If request true, then it returns the result. Request is successful. Else reject the request is held. So then, yeah, we can store a variable. Yes, it is a promise. It returns a result or reject. If the request is failed, then it reject part execute, or request is true, then a result part execute. It returns the result. So then e dot, it is also taking a function here. Data. So console.log, printing the data, and then catch, also taking take a function. Here we will print the error. So let's see. It is a promise block. So it returns resolve or reject. If it returns reject, then it is failed. If it returns resolve, then this block execute. So if it returns the resolve part, then block execute, or it returns the reject part, then catch block execute. So let's start. Let's run. So here the request is successful. That means this request this request is true. That's why it returns the result part. So yeah, you can think that is a HTTP request, or that is API request, whatever maybe. So if it is false, then it returns the reject part. Okay, let's run. the request is failed. So the catch, like then part is not execute, direct catch block execute because it returns the reject. That means the request is failed. So that's why it execute the catch block. And if the request is true, then this part execute. So thank you very much.